Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. A few years ago, I met this strategy from a professional trader who recommended me to use it as a basis for my work, and I am very grateful for that advice. I started working with this strategy right away and it was amazing. My account grew from one trade to another, and at the end of the day I realized that I had increased my capital from $100 to $4,000. I increased my capital by 40 times in one day. At that time I thought it was almost impossible, but I did it. In this video I will try to replicate it and make more than 200% profit. Alright, I hope you have already done it, but if I don't remind you, give me a like to this video and subscribe to my channel. I will share my experience with you and you help me grow this. It's important to me. Let's get to the strategy. In this strategy I use a 5-minute time frame and the chart type is Japanese candlesticks. We have to add 2 moving average lines to the chart. For the first one I set a period of 75 and the type is a simple moving average. I made it blue. For the second moving average, I set a period of 85 and the type is also a simple moving average. I make the line pink. Then I activate the MACD indicator and change its values. Let's change the fast period to 15, the slow period to 26, and the signal period to 1. Well, now that the configuration is complete, everything is ready to work. Here I will show you an example of a situation that is suitable for working with this strategy. The strategy is based on opening a signal in the direction of a strong trend. To determine the market trend, I will use the MACD indicator if the line is below the 0 level. As in this case, it means that the trend is bearish and you should open sell signals only. The trade is the moment when the moving average lines cross each other. You should wait for them to confirm after the crossing and immediately open a signal in the direction they are moving on the chart. You can see that the price fell for a long time after this signal, which indicates a strong downtrend. Now I will look for similar situations and open trades. It will be interesting. I will tell you about the rules and mistakes when using this strategy. So be sure to watch the video to the end. This seems to be an excellent situation, and it is precisely this type of situation that is appropriate to work with this strategy. The expiry time is 10 minutes and the bet is maximum because I think the price is going to go down. As far as I can see from the indicators, the market is experiencing a strong downtrend. The MACD indicator line is moving down and has crossed the 0 level, which means there is a bearish trend in the market. Just now the moving average lines crossed and I opened a signal immediately after that. This is a signal that the price is going to decline. Trades like this do not appear often on the chart, but they are very accurate. The profitability of this trading strategy is 85%, which means that even a beginner can make a profit. With a 5-minute time frame, the chart is updated infrequently, which increases the accuracy of the signals. The chart does not take into account minor price fluctuations, which are very common in lower time frames. By the way, if you're a beginner and still not familiar with this platform, I will leave a link in the video description for you to sign up with a promo code. This will give you free real money, so use it if you want. Now I'm watching a dangerous situation because the price is trying to go up, but I have time, and I think I will make a profit. I have doubled my account in one trade, but this I did with the safety of the strategy. As you can see, the strategy is profitable and has simple steps to follow. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments about this strategy, or mention which one you want us to test on this channel. See you guys next time.